Welcome to Clothesline, the show where we wring them clean, string them up and put them to dry on the clothesline. Few months ago, we had shown you what we thought of as an out-of-the-world anchoring experience. While Pakistan may not beat us on the rocket front, their reporter plummeted to new depths, and what I'm about to say has never been as appropriate as it is now. Hashtag RIP. Journalism, rest in peace.
कि 25 साल कबल इस जगह को, इस कब्र की जगह को खुद अपने लिए अब्दुल सत्तार ईधी ने मुख्तस किया था और अपने हयात के दौरान ही उन्होंने अपनी वफात के बाद अपनी कब्र की जगह मुख्तस कर ली थी। मौजूद है जहां पर अब्दुल सत्तार ईधी को दफनाया जाएगा। नमाज़ ज़ोहर के बाद जो है अब्दुल सत्तार ईधी को जो है मदफन किया जाएगा। हम आपको ये बताया चलें।
What made news last week was Newswallas. While there are all sorts of debates whether this is a good thing or a bad thing, let me do some navel gazing of the navel gazing. That's meta. For those of you wondering, I'm not talking about Arnab and Barkha's navel, but media's obsession with itself. But first, let's be honest and clear. Here the claim seems to be that he wasn't talking about anyone specific. However, this is what Arnab said.
Viewers, for the last 3 weeks, this narrow but vocal section, which includes vested interests in some parts of the media, have been openly and shockingly trying to echo the Pakistani line. They're supporting Pakistan. Directly or indirectly, they are supporting the ISI, supporting Rawalpindi. They're supporting Hafiz Saeed.
Dear Arnab, now let's figure out who you were talking about. This is what Hafiz Saeed said.
तो इंडिया में एक तबका मौजूद है और वो ये काम कर रहा है, लेकिन मैं देख रहा हूँ कि वहाँ बहुत बरखा दत्त जैसे लोग भी मौजूद हैं, बहुत अच्छे बात करने वाले भी मौजूद।
So let's see who all did Hafiz Saeed praise. Number 1, Barkha Dutt. Number 2, no one. Number 3, no one again. In which case, Arnab's rant narrows it down to the list of these 3. 3, no one. 2, no one. 1, Barkha Dutt. So Arnab, you kind of seem insincere there. पंगा लेना ही है तो नाम लेके लो ना, जैसे हम करते हैं. And Barkha, जिसको अपने नाम के अलावा कुछ दिखता ही नहीं. Sure, her response was in order, but I wish it was more about journalism in general, even if you take apart Arnab's in particular and not just about the Dutt. And finally, the third of television journalism's Trimurti, fence sitter extraordinaire Rajdeep Sardesai, who has made a career of using cliches like but at the same time, and on the other hand, and having said that, to not comment, yet comment. For you, Rajdeep, we have a special award. LOC ka Rakhwala! While the relationship between Modi and Kejriwal has been kind of confusing, given all of Kejriwal's accusations and what Modi has been accused of doing, we give you a simple version of that. Now you'll understand. Now that the bhadas is out, Mr. Kejriwal has gone back to his Dharamshala retreat for his Vipassana, a place where you cannot speak to anyone for 10 days, torture, and all you get is dal, chawal and murmure, not even separately. Sab mile hue hain ji. Sleeping in parliament is nothing new. Many have been there, done that. While most of you chota aadmi can only dream of sitting in parliament, many have dreamt sitting in parliament. So Rahul doing it was nothing new. But what was new were the explanations.
इतना भयंकर धूप है, बाहर से हम अंदर जाते हैं तो ठंड में हम आंख बंद करते हैं ताकि वो आंख जो जलन हो रहा है बाहर खड़े होके बोलने का, तो अंदर जाने से थोड़ी आराम मिल जाती है, तो आंख बंद करते हैं ताकि उसमें मॉइस्चर आ जाए, और आप बोलो सोते हैं।
राहुल गांधी दिन रात काम करते हैं, लोगों के लिए काम करते हैं।
He was not sleeping, he was just thinking, he must be just thinking about the Dalits.
He must be just thinking about the Dalits.
But all these people did not have to explain because Rahul had already explained this in true UPA style in retrospect. मैं सदके जावा.
This morning, I got up at night.
You've often heard of this distinction, people laughing with you as opposed to people laughing at you. For starters, TV news witnessed an historic occasion. It was so historic that the HRD ministry will have to rewrite India's history books yet again. Arnab Goswami laughed for almost half a minute. That was historic occasion 1. Historic occasion 2, a Bengali spoke flawless Punjabi. Historic occasion 3, that Bengali was Sambit Patra.
एक पासे नौटंकीबाज ड्रामेबाज एक पासे कम करने वाल, कोयल कुकनाल पेड़ फलनाल खेत उपजनाल, इंसान अपने कर्म दे नाल जाना जाता है। दसो मैं की झूठ बोलना, कांग्रेस तो गया फज और रह गया अपना गपदा मार केजरू यार। हाँ मेरा यार है केजरीवाल, हाँ मफलर पाक के अबे तू खांसी तो दूर कर नहीं पाता, करप्शन बड़ा दूर करेगा। बोलो गुरु करप्शन दूर करेगा।
I never laughed so much. I never laughed so much.
This is word to word. I have read out the exact word.
No, this is Sambit's impersonation. Somehow will go into history of news.
So sorry, Arvind Kejriwal. Best dramatization for the year 2016 goes to Sambit Patra. Yay! So if you think the panel and audience were laughing at Sambit Patra's joke, click subscribe. If you think they were laughing at Sambit Patra, click like. And if you've already liked and subscribed to News Laundry, then get someone else to subscribe. Go on, do it.
Do you know how much this full page ad costs?
And this one, mitron.
और ये वाला भी सब मिले हुए हैं।
How independent can media really be if it's supported completely by government ads and corporations paying in crores? Who would they serve, you or the advertiser? What would you do to keep media afloat? Think about it.
The arms race is so passé. The latest destructive force facing the world is the TRP-induced nationalism race. This has taken us from here.
In fact, today I want to give every Pakistani panelist the first opportunity
Hold
to
on,
speak.
listen to
Who are you to talk about the Kashmiri?
Uprising in which
Who are you to talk about the Kashmiri?
You have killed 30 people and about 200 people have lost their eyesight.
Who are you to talk about the Kashmiri? We are not discussing the occupied Kashmir, which is value of Srinagar. Occupied, Pakistan occupied Kashmir. Thank you. Thank you.
To here.
Anti-India, pro-Pakistan, pro-terrorist line. When they lionize a terrorist, when they peddle lies, and when they openly write for the breakup of India, for the changing of the Indian map, how should these people be dealt with? What should these people be called? I call them pseudo-liberals. I don't know what you'd call them, but let's not get into semantics. When someone works against their nation, works against their national interests, compromises national security, works for Hafiz Saeed.
Then Z ramped it up to here.
हम एक ही पार्टी से ताल्लुक रखते हैं, वो क्या है? मैं हिंदुस्तानी।
आज काला दिवस मनाने वाले पाकिस्तान का मुंह काला हो जाएगा। पत्थरबाजों को कश्मीर के सच्चे देशभक्ति वाला तमाचा लगाएंगे।
But just how much can you shout and scream, and just how big can you make your hateful graphics? What's the next step? Violence, obviously. How do you indulge in violence when the person is not within arm's length? Come, we'll show you.
आप दुनिया को दिखाना चाहते हैं कि यहाँ जो सिस्टम है उस सिस्टम की बुनियाद झूठ पर है, फिरेब पर है, मकर पर है, धोखाबाजी पर है और ये सिस्टम जो है ये ज़्यादा देर तक जिंदा नहीं रहेगा।
If after this someone were to slap, punch or start beating someone up in the style of Z News self-righteous sting hit out on bail anchors, would it be possible to absolve them of their own role in fomenting violence? Think about it. Now let's head to where all the action has been in the last few weeks.
देखिए ये कैसे पता हो सकता है कि आप हर एनकाउंटर के बारे में जो मेरी मालूमात है, जो मैंने पुलिस से बात की, आर्मी से बात की, उनका ये कहना है कि हमें ये मालूम था 3 मिलिटेंट वहाँ है, पर ये मालूम नहीं था कौन कौन है वहाँ पर।
ये कैसे हो सकता है कि हमें नहीं मालूम? Oh, did I hear right? The police are under the chief minister and she claims she doesn't know. Well, there's a choice of 2 options. 1, she's incompetent if she is ignorant of what her police force is doing, or 2, she knew and is now feigning ignorance. Has to be one or the other, neither of which are truly honorable or cool.
मेरा ये है कि अगर इनको पता होता तो शायद इस तरह से मैं इस वक्त जब आपके हालात सुधर रहे हैं तो मैं समझती हूँ कि एक चांस हो सकता था, मगर चूंकि पुलिस इंटेलिजेंस एजेंसी ये कहती है कि उनको ये मालूम था वहाँ कोई 3 मिलिटेंट है किसी के घर में और उनको ये नहीं था कि इसमें कौन कौन है। तो
Now wait a minute. Do security forces fire back when attacked based on who's doing the shooting? What is this? Kachi mitti? No, it is not. It's the worst kind of appeasement because you are the aggressor and then you are the pacifier and by chance कुछ रह गया है तो you are also the victim. एक थे राज कपूर और अब है महबूबा मुफ्ती, directing, producing, starring, lyrics and biggest fan of herself.
सब कुछ सीखा हमने ना सीखी होशियारी, सच है दुनिया वालों के हम हैं अनाड़ी।
मेरा ये है कि अगर इनको पता होता तो शायद इस तरह से मैं इस वक्त जब आपके हालात सुधर रहे हैं तो मैं समझती हूँ कि एक चांस हो सकता था, मगर
Given him another chance to do what? To encourage more violence, arson and murder? Oh yes, he definitely deserved another chance. Oh yeah, we should have given it to him. Oh.
अफजल गुरु को फांसी लगी तो उमर साहब को मालूम था, इसलिए उन्होंने सारे इंतजामात पहले ही किए थे। हमें तो कुछ भी नहीं मालूम था, हमें तो अचानक पता चला।
आप कह रही हैं जब अफजल गुरु को फांसी लगी तो उमर साहब को मालूम था, meaning if you don't know what's happening in your state, you are morally on the right ground. Well done.
कोशिश की कि कर्फ्यू लगाया जाए ताकि बच्चे बाहर ना आए, मगर जहाँ कर्फ्यू लगाया दूसरे इलाकों में बच्चे चले गए, उनको कैंप्स के अंदर लेके गए लोग, उनको पुलिस स्टेशन में लेके।
Meaning, Mehbooba tried to save Kashmiri lives by imposing curfew, but the young people showed up in non-curfew areas. So, how is it her fault? Nothing is her fault. It is the fault of the central government, the army, Omar Abdullah. The stars were not aligned. Booth, Pret, and of course, the ever-present muzzled media.
उनको कैंप्स के अंदर लेके गए लोग, उनको पुलिस स्टेशन में लेके। शुक्रिया।
Wow, that was an abrupt cut-off. Madam की speech का encounter हो गया. Now, this week's Fakwa goes to Azam Khan for being, now what's the word I'm looking for?
Dick?
Don't talk like that.
Asshole?
That's inappropriate.
Chutia?
Ugh.
An insensitive jackass?
Okay, don't go that soft either. I leave the viewers to decide what to call him. But here's what he said about a mother and daughter who had been gang raped for over 3 hours by the side of a highway.
कि कहीं कोई विपक्षी विचारधारा और सरकार को बदनाम करने के लिए ऐसे लोग जो सत्ता में आना चाहते हैं वो तो ये कुकर्म नहीं कर रहे।
खान साहब, अगर आपको इसमें भी पॉलिटिक्स दिखती है तो किसी दिन आपकी सल्तनत में जो नवाब है ना, उनमें से कोई नवाब आप पर आपकी इजाज़त के बगैर अपने पिल्लों के साथ नवाबों वाली शौक़ फरमाएं तो शायद आपके दिमाग में कुछ हरकत हो, क्योंकि हमें ये लगता है कि आपका दिमाग भी नवाबों वाले शौक़ के इधर उधर ही बसता है। Well, that's a wrap for this time. If you saw any moments from journalism that made you go, oh wow or oh crap, write into us or tweet to us. Subscribe to our newsletter and support our I Pay to Keep News Free campaign. We are the change. You are the change, for better or worse. Never do nothing. Stay connected. Stay online. If you enjoyed that, click up here to support us and down here to subscribe. Be sure to check out our older episodes and the other stuff we do like Can You Take It, I Agree, panel discussions, comics and animations, and much, much more.